Hi, and welcome to the Cone Beam Tip of the Day. My name is Ross Enfinger, and in today's video we're going to be reviewing the difference between using panorama mode and implant aligned mode when virtually planning an implant in SICAT Implant 2.0. So let's take a look at the following video. I've already imported all the files and got my initial virtual implant plan, and I just want to show you the difference between panorama mode in planning versus implant aligned. So notice in the panorama mode, when I move or tilt the implant, the CT scan stays the same and the implant moves around. And so what happens is sometimes it's easy to lose focus of the implant when you're planning in panorama mode. Well, let's take a look at implant aligned mode. So I'm going to switch over to that version and notice what happens when I tilt or move the implant. As I move the implant, the CT scan reorganizes around the implant so that the virtual implant remains vertical in the screen. Okay, the problem with this is, the drawback is as you move the implant, it still looks like it's perfectly vertical, but it could be dramatically off. So why use implant aligned? Well, because the screen is going to snap to the implant each time, and it makes it easier to keep the implant in view. So if you're losing your implants when you're virtually planning and you're losing them out of the screen and you're having a hard time keeping a track of them, use the implant aligned button there, and that will help keep it in view for you. In reality, we probably use a little bit of both when planning a virtual implant. So I hope this has been helpful for you to make it a more efficient process for you to plan your implants. Thanks, and we'll see you in the next tip of the day.